dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland. Another Monday. It's beautiful, nice, sunny weather today. It was raining for few days actually, and I just finished my school. So I was at school actually from 8 until 4 every Monday to Friday. Well, being in a police school, you know, like surrounded with police children is very, very challenging, especially with the language barrier. My police still, whenever I meet the friends, also, you know, kolega, teachers and other teachers, you know, movies po polsku and blah blah blah. Yeah. Bardzo trochę. But this is actually another way to make me learn Polish very quickly, surrounded by students, surrounded by any other teachers. I'm super excited being surrounded by Polish teachers and students. Now I would like to meet Damian. We will have a lunch, dinner together after school. It's home time, but first of all we will go to the place where we're gonna meet Damian. This is my daily route actually, and this is how it looks. The rush hours in front of me is the Malta Lake. That's the tram. It has been 2 weeks that I'm in school, and you know, most of them are very curious and how I finally land in Poland and why, because most of them, oh, maybe we exchange, you live in Poland, we live in Bali or something like that. Always, you know, whenever we have a rest time and we talk and discuss about how's the students and everything. So, you know, it's very challenging actually, like being in the school where the student mostly they are Polish, and then the language that they speak 100% of them like speaking only Polish, and some of them speaking English. So yeah, with the language difference, language barrier, and also the cultural differences, this is like opportunity that when I'm in Poland, and just don't give up. I always said like that, and they said that, oh, you can speak Polish is really good, yeah, but I don't speak very well, but I tried my best. Mieszkasz w Polsce, musisz mówić po polsku, tak? I always said like that. And yeah, dokładnie. Yeah, you have to. Right. So now I arrive in the mall again because we're gonna meet Damian, and I need to buy for Damian, and then because next week he will go to Hamburg. So yeah, we will prepare something, and this is how it looks in the afternoon in the rush hour basically. Yay! Tada! So this is the third time I record a video in
Poznań. In the mall. Unbelievable. Worse than in Asia.
This is not paid endorsement to Poznan mall, but yeah, what we can do. One-stop shopping here, right?
And also on the top of it is like a halfway between the house where we stay and my workplace.
And then the school where I am.
So it's like a great meeting point, you know. And everyone is here in general, waiting for lunch. So, you know.
Yes. I brought this sandwich today just for the snack, tak? Now we have a obiadu. Obiadu or kolacja?
We have a lunch now.
Smacznego, kochanie. What we have, makas. Kochanie, I have no time to cook your dinner.
At least makas is good.
Tak. And here is the situation. Like this. Because yesterday Carrefour, whatever it is.
Carrefour, yeah.
It's closed. So today you bought all the okochim, kochanie.
Oh. Like I said, it's zero alcohol, as you see. Zero. Everywhere is zero, because nowadays is the trendy to have a zero.
Best alcohol over.
Even Carlsberg is zero if you like the regular flavor. Many kind of zero drinks. Everything is zero.
Zero.
Leshu
Zero.
also 0. Everything is 0.
0.
So I prefer drink this one rather than Coca-Cola. Even everybody know me from Coke because it's also tastes better somehow. Maybe I like still cola, but it's at least half or even more less sugar, you know.
I know. Oh, 0 alcohol. And look at this. 0 alcohol. 0. So many 0 alcohol drink. So now we buy a meat. So nice. So many nice sausage and meat. Tak.
You can try if you want.
Oh, nice. Kohange, where are we going now?
Back home and ice cream time
Okay.
to the market square.
Uh-huh.
By the way, we are going next to the river actually. I mean, you cannot see the river, but this is like an area where it's like normally the river could be here. But I'm talking about this one because there were the big floods in Central Europe, including the south of Poland, Czech Republic, Austria, and somewhere else. But this is only in the one state of the Lower Silesia, which is the area of Wrocław city. Mostly there was the flood due to geographical reasons, of course. But we are in Poznan safe so far. Even the river is actually next door, but there is just simply level of the river and the water is just totally fine. No problem at all. So everybody who write the comment asking are you in danger or something, we are totally fine. So thank you for your care anyways. But yeah, mostly in the South Poland nearby the mountains is the biggest and the highest risk, but also not in the area of Zakopane, but mostly in the area of, you know, Jelenia Góra, but mostly for you guys who are not familiar with Poland, in the area of Wrocław so far. Because you see this is already there on the other side, actually this is already the depression of the Warta River. There is like no houses, no buildings, so theoretically this could be under the water in the worst case scenario, but so far Poznan is safe and no risk of the water like this one. So mostly in the area of Wrocław or Lower Silesian.
Okay, so Kohange, I see that there are so many building here. What area is this?
This is actually Wilda area still. Górna Wilda, exactly. Like.
Okay, on the right is actually the depression of the land, tak?
Yeah, that's actually right now they are only like gardens for the people who rent them the land.
But the weather is slightly nowadays changing,
I
tak?
mean, the weather improves. The weather totally changed this morning. This morning when I was going to work was rainy. And it was still pretty cold, like a 15 degree. I mean, not that cold when it was like 15 degree. And now suddenly it's become 25 degree and already nice blue sky and no more rain. Some nice restaurant, by the way. So it was like just few days of big rain, heavy rains, not only in Poland, but generally in Central Europe. So
I think all over the world is the climate change.
yeah, the climate is changing in general. Yeah, that's the thing.
Oh, what is it on the right? Is it the park? I think so many people are coming there, tak?
There is also like a area where they are like some events, music festivals, something open air. Because there is no buildings on this side.
I see. Yes, true. Still, you see so many green areas in between.
Like one side of the road is green, and on the other side is the Kamienica, which is the border between the like a city and the area where you are not allowed to build much. And then in the background soon will be the panorama of the city, of the skyscraper already.
I see.
not often we are filming here actually.
No.
Well, it's totally different side of the city.
Yeah, because we don't live in this area, Kohani.
No, we are not.
And this one little bit of everything. So if you are bored with our shopping video in Poznan, we take you to driving around
Yeah,
the
actually you
neighborhood.
can see these tall buildings from totally different perspective, what usually we don't see.
It's really like a mix of the old buildings and a brand new building.
Combined with the green scenario.
It's combined with the green spot everywhere.
Like literally a little bit of everything. And just to give you a point of view where we are now, we're actually at the front of the Stary Browar Mall.
Aha, now I know where I am.
Yeah, we just usually go next to these buildings, the new brand buildings, but actually the mall is there and Powiejska Street is straight. Actually, if you go walk straight, you will arrive to the market square. Just go straight by foot. Right, so you have this modern building on this side of the road. Actually over there, they building the tallest building in Poznan actually next door. Yeah. This is it. There you go. This is the walking street, Powiejska Street actually at the front. We are going to have ice cream. Of course, by car I have to go around because this is, in Poland, in all of those small streets, they are one-way road system in general.
So it's never traffic jam here, do you think?
It's not about as there is never traffic jam, but it's just like you drive through the old kamienicas.
Yes, and
The roads are small.
the thing is about old Kamienica, because they don't have a parking slot, they just park on the street like this, tak?
Yeah, but they were built in the era where the cars wasn't yet. So they just needed the
Oh, I
wall.
never passed this one, huh?
Right.
What is that building? Red brick building. Really
Actually, I don't
iconic.
know what is the red brick building, but they are nice kamienica, and some of those kamienicas have actually Polish architecture.
That is so nice.
Yeah.
I mean, like it's a very vintage,
That's correct. Actually, we're gonna go left. We just have to be careful because sometimes the tram is going quickly here. Because obviously we are driving now on the middle where the tram could go as well,
Oh yes, this is the tram road.
Right. So soon will be the Pyra bar in the corner, and then there will be the Kupiec on the end of the Powiejska Street.
Ah yes,
You see the
this
tram
is
is
the
coming?
tram is coming.
Oh, but this one is old actually,
Tak.
but still is coming. Right.
Yes.
And this is the Pyra bar, and then there will be the Kupiec and the old market square.
Yes.
So-
Pirabar.
Little bit of driving video actually combined with the mall again and stuff, but sometimes it's the easiest way to show you the city, I used to do like that when I was living in Bali sometimes, driving around. It's just from different perspective you can enjoy the city,
Tak.
So this is the walking street actually, the Powiejska Street from the other side. Actually the end of Powiejska Street technically. And we are looking to park the car somewhere because the ice cream is there.
So many renovation, right, Kohani?
So many renovation. Actually, this building needs to be renovated, but it's gonna be really nice when they finish the renovation. And now is the moment of truth. We're gonna find a parking lot, parking spot. Maybe yes or maybe not. Preferably somewhere here. And here it is or not? Not for
Not.
me. That's reserved.
It's just reserved.
The tram is going. So little bit no luck this occasion. But let's try. This is already Plattsburgh. Now I see the Freedom Square and the Galeria MM. Right. But here you film pretty often.
Yes, this is my actually a daily place to go. I'm at school from 8 to 3. So yeah, I didn't walk that often like used to be. Yeah, so this is how it is, the traffic situation at 19.
Yeah, 7 o'clock. Not bad, isn't it?
Aha, so kochanie, we are in Stary Rynek Market Square.
Stary next square.
We plan actually buying ice cream, tak? Unfortunately,
Close.
close.
Nah, that's so bad.
Okay, so I think that's all our video today, guys.
With the sad accent
No.
of the ice cream closed. No, I'm joking. It's okay. Close. I think it's just simply already end of the summer season and end of the season of ice cream.
Tak, I think that's all our video today. Thanks for watching and
See you on next one tomorrow.
bye. And look at this, on Monday, autumn time, still people sitting outside.